Okay, hello and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nuriza Hakim bin Razam and my partner name is Nuriza Tufna binti Ismail. So today we're gonna present about our app, which is our app been named Zakat Gold Application. So at the front you can see our app icon, which is Zakat Gold. Okay, next, please open the app. Betul. So first thing, when you open our app, you can see our theme for our app, which we take soft gold because we want to use minimalism. So you can see, first you can see the Zakat gold name, and next you can see the icon. So when you swipe down or scroll down, you can see some information that we provide for our user. It is our target user is we target to be used by elderly. So at the bottom you can see the navigation button, or at home, calculator, and about. So next we're gonna to move to about page. So when you go to the about page, you can see the about the application info for the Zakat Gold. About Zakat Gold. Zakat Gold is a mobile application that can be used to calculate gold that user keep on them. The objective of our application is to make it easier for the user to calculate the zakat to pay for the gold. Our easy to use calculator will take the guesswork out of calculating your zakat payment. You can easily determine how much you need to contribute if you have information on all of your assets. So when you scroll down, you can see the developer info, which is developer team. So the first is my partner, which is Nuriza Ismail. His her position for this application is iOS mobile developer. So the second one is me, Reza Akim Razam. So my position for this application is an Android mobile developer. So at the bottom of developer team, you can see our clickable link, which is URL GitHub. You can click the link and it can be clicked and it can go to our URL, which is in this URL it contain our coding and others. So at the bottom of the about page, you can see our copyright statement, which is Zakat Incorporation and our servers. Okay, next I will pass to my partner Nuztusna for the calculator and coding.
Okay. Hi, my name is Nuriza Tusna. So I will be telling you guys about our app, which is the calculator part and also the coding part. Okay, first of all, this is the interface of our calculator. So you can see the application name, the app icon, and also we can see the input field here, where we have weight, type of gold, current gold value, and also if we scroll down here, we can see this square box, which is the output field, where all the outputs will be shown here. So, sorry. Firstly, if we did not put any of value here, and then we click the count, there will be an output, but there's no calculation will be put here. It will show 0.0. But if you can see, there's a toast here where the message says, please enter value. So the user will enter the value first before they can see the calculation. So let us put the value first. Let's say the weight is 100 gram. And then on top of goal, okay, you can see the a little instruction or a guide for the user, either to choose the keep or wear, because they only have these two choices. And then when they want to key in the type of goal, there will be an instruction where the message are enter type in lowercase form. Okay, these are the instruction that is needed to be fulfilled. So let's say the type of goal is keep. Okay, so we put keep in lowercase form. And then the current goal value is 218. Okay, let's say you just put any value. And then we click on the count. Okay, let's see the changes made at the output box. So the total value of the goal value that is zakat payable, and also the total zakat is changed. The value is there. It means the calculation has been made. So unlike before this, where we don't put any value here, the output is 0.0, right? So now after we put the value here and then we do the calculation, the apps do the calculation, and the output will be shown lah. So it is shown where the total value of the gold, total gold value, there is zakat payable, and also the total zakat will be shown here. So I will brief to you a bit about the coding or the source code to create this application. Firstly, I do fragment. Okay, fragment is a piece of an application user interface or behavior that can be placed in an activity. Fragment class can be used many ways to achieve wide variety of results. So here you can see we have main activity class, home fragment class, calculator fragment class, and also about fragment class. So this everything is separately. The class is separate because we want to separate into a few fragments. So in each fragment, we need to create each layout. So okay, let's say we will look at fragment home. So these are the layout that I did in order to view this interface. And also to show this interface on the screen, we must do this home fragment class. So this home fragment class will make the fragment home layout will be shown on the screen. And then we will look at calculator fragment layout. Okay, these are the layouts. And then these are the class. So inside this calculator fragment class, I put the calculation here and also the shared preference. Oh, I'm sorry to say, shared preference is where when the user put the input inside the input field, and then when the app is closed, okay, let's say we close the app, and then we reopen the app again, and the input value that the user put before this will be shown here. So like before this, we put 100 gram right here. So after we close and we reopen back, the value of weight is still here, which means the shared preference has been done here. Okay. So next thing is the fragment class will show the fragment calculator layout on the screen. So it is the fragment calculator will be shown here because we do on click view. We set the count on click listener and all those things. So for further view, you can see our source code in GitHub. We will provide you a GitHub link under description, and you can see more of our source code. Okay, this is the about fragment class. And I think that's all from us. If there's any question or any comments, you can put it down below. Thank you from us.